This tutorial will walk you through viewing the details of a work request that has been assigned to you as a craftsperson. So look in your Craftsperson bucket and click Maintenance Console. Requests that have been issued to you will be in the Issued and in Process section, so click the arrow here to expand the Issued and in Process requests. Requests in this section are sorted newest to oldest, so you'll see most recent requests at the top. If you scroll down, you'll be able to go down to older work requests. You'll see some basic information here in the table. If you would like to see additional information, simply click the work request number. In this top section, you will see the problem type, the description that the requester has typed in, as well as any problem location details if the requester added any when they submitted the request. If you would like to see more information about this request, click the arrow next to the More Information section. And you can scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see the building, floor, room, any additional information that the requester submitted as part of this request. If you see a file in any of these 4 document fields, that means that the requester has attached a photo or some kind of document, whether it be a Word document, a PDF, Excel file, something like that to this request. If you'd like to view that image, simply click this Show Document icon. And there you go. You can click Close to close that. Close again when you wish to exit this request. And if you wanted to look at another one, you simply click the next number to launch the next request. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.